Syllaby.io is a tool that allows you to create, schedule, publish, and automate videos to your social media. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect all of your social media channels easily so that you can schedule all of your videos to social media very quickly. Once you're logged in to the Syllaby dashboard here, you can just scroll down on the left to the connect icon. This is going to show you all of the existing accounts that you have connected here, where you can of course resync the connection or disconnect that account if you want. But all you need to do is click connect account here, and you can easily connect your YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, or even your threads. How this is going to work is just click on connect below that. It's going to take you to the login and sign up screen, so we can choose any one of our accounts here. And then we can choose any of the accounts, the YouTube channels that are associated with that account. You're just going to click continue, walk through, make sure everything looks good, click continue. It will take you back to the connection screen, and it will have successfully connected that account for you. The same is the process for anything here. So we can connect our Threads account, for instance. It's going to take you over to that connection request screen, and you're just gonna easily just click through the connect, and voila, you will see all of these connections added to your connection request there. Now, the other place that you can connect them to is through the publish area here. We can click create schedule post, and you can add anything or upload any of your videos for social media. And in the top here, you'll see all of the connected accounts. Or you can also click the plus icon here, and that will also add this ability here to connect any of your social media accounts. This is a very simple process. I hope this helps you.